Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, privacy glass, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires, front all season, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, rear all season. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.